Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. It's Teresa here for Kellybell Designs today, working with the Hollywood studio Tinsel Town mini kit today. And so I'm enjoying hanging out in Hollywood studios for a while with these layouts for our kids' albums. And so you can see here some of the gorgeous embellishments that I've printed out and cut using my Canon printer and Silhouette machine. I'm going to cut the pattern paper here that I chose for the background. And also you can see the larger photo that I've printed today. It's a little bit smaller than 8.5 by 11. And that's going to allow me to have space on the patterned paper background for these embellishments. So you can notice how I printed out the Hollywood Studios title and an additional film strip going, and I'm gonna adhere them down so they go across the page and look like they're joined. So you could imagine that where they join in the middle, that they're kind of curved around and connected behind the Hollywood or something like that. I love that effect. And then so it looks like you're kind of pulling it out of the film reel. And then this makes it so easy to tuck some of these great embellishments behind the title here, behind the film strip, following this very horizontal line across the page. So some of the embellishments that I'm using are, of course, the beautiful florals, the magical word art there, and the little red and white strip of a ribbon or washi tape. I hear it in my mind as washi tape. I'm in love with the little popcorn ribbon or popcorn washi tape. There's also individual pieces of popcorn in this collection that I'm dying to use. I'm going to have to revisit those on a different layout. Here, tucking some of the red and the black floral pieces. Look, the black is black and white polka dot. Is that not adorable? So I had to have a little of that peeking out. And then I also really loved these, the rope here, crowd control rope. Such an unassuming item, but really prominent, right, at Hollywood Studios. The Mickey ears. And one thing that I always try to work on in hybrid layouts is, how do you bring the feeling of dimension? How do you bring these items to life and make it feel like you're being drawn into the photo itself? And so the two ropes I actually printed and cut. One is smaller than the other. The one in the background is a little bit smaller than the other. So it feels like you're actually kind of walking through this title with the people in the photo heading to the entrance at Hollywood Studio. Another little note about about my design choices is that the entrance at Hollywood Studios, of course, is so iconic with this gorgeous blue or turquoise and white mid-century architecture. I love it. I love it so much. It draws you right into the Hollywood glam. And then the sign is in red. And that drove my background paper choice, and it drove a lot of the decisions for which embellishments to print, because I really wanted that red sign to pop out of that photo. The last thing I'm going to do, purists, look away. Photo purists, look away. I journaled directly on my photo. And this layout is so simple and quick to put together. Thanks for watching. I will have links down below for this gorgeous collection. And I'll see you back again here real soon. Bye-bye.